Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing. This time it is a Bath & Body Works haul. Bath & Body Works is having their semi-annual sale. So for this haul, I decided to look through like my candle collection. If you want to see a video on my candle collection, let me know and I will record that video for you guys. So I went through it to see what kind of candles I was missing from my collection. I like to have 3 different candles for each season, 3 for summer, 3 for fall, 3 for winter, and 3 for spring. And then I also checked my little wallflower collection to see if I was running low, and also I got some other bits and bobs from there. So enough for me. Let's get started with this video. So I learned my lesson and decided to open the box before recording my video. So let's get started. So the first thing I have will be the candles. So I got just a replacement, or not replacement, I got some new winter candles because I only have 1 for this coming winter season. So the 2 that I got is frosted sugar cookie. And it does smell like a frosted sugar cookie. And then I also got spiced gingerbread. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like, you know when you walk into Starbucks during winter time and they have all their like winter flavors? It smells like their gingerbread latte. So good. Oh, these are what the candles look like. So this is the frosted cinnamon. Sorry, I'm like not sure why people are emailing me right now. And then this is spiced gingerbread. So it smells really good. Next, I'll show you the hand soaps that I got. So normally I just buy like the regular Target method hand soaps, but because Target's having a little trouble getting like the refills, I decided to try out the Bath & Body Works hand soaps. I heard they were really good, and right now they're having during the semi-annual sale, it's like buy 4 for 20 and 6 for 24 or something like that. So I don't know how this happened like this, but I got it in like almost rainbowy colors. So I got fresh strawberry tart, and it smells like a strawberry. I got watermelon lemonade. I got Georgia peach, and then I also got fresh lemonade. So if you guys want a review on what I think about the Bath & Body Works hand soaps, leave a comment down below and then I can schedule that or record that for you guys. Next, I got some wallflower replacements. So the first scent I got, so I must say what I do for my little section of the house is I burn candles in my room, and then in my bathroom I have like the wallflowers. So the first one I got is Coastal Sun. It's like more of those beachy suns. Looks like it's like this little blue color. What I like about the wallflowers, it has like this little tag that tells you what each scent is. So when I first started buying the wallflowers, I accidentally decided to take off those little tags. So I was like, ooh, what is this? What's different about my candles versus the wallflowers is I'll just plug in any wallflower in the bathroom unless it's like a winter scent. Then I'll wait until winter to start using those. But mostly I use like floral scents. So this is one of the examples, Marshmallow Fireside. If you've ever had Marshmallow Fireside before, one of the best scents from Bath & Body Works. Next we got Golden Hibiscus. It's like this. Another floral scent. Ooh, oh no, this one popped off. This is called Summer Boardwalk. Oh, maybe that's it. Oh, my mom was like smelling. Oh, it looks like this one leaked. It's okay. Stay. And then last we have, oh no! Beautiful day. Maybe this one leaked. I don't know. Alright, and then the last thing I got from Bath & Body Works is their car freshener refills. So in my car, I like to have like those little Febreze sensors, but I like the Bath & Body Works a little bit better because it's smaller. Like the little face head is smaller. I'll try to do like a screenshot of what it looks like, but it doesn't take up like my whole air vent for when people want like air in the car, especially during these hot summer days. So the 3 cents I got, because it was buy 3 for 9, something like that. So I got Sunshine and Daffodils. That kind of reminds me of Harry Potter. Sunshine, daisies, butter. Well, they don't have daffodils. But you know that scene in Harry Potter? Let me know if you know what that scene is. Only real Harry Potter fans know. And then I got Saltwater Breeze to remind me of the beach. Since we can't go. Thanks, Miss Rona. And the last one I got is Peach Sugar Cone. I do like the, if you notice with in all these videos, I do like the little peachy scents. So, but yeah, that's all that I got from Bath & Body Works. I am going to be recording a quarantine empties. I just need to have my little basket filled up a little more before I shoot that video. But basically we'll talk about all the empties that I had during quarantine. So that was it for my Bath & Body Works haul. Again, don't miss out on their semi-annual sale. You'll be able to catch really great deals that they don't normally have during the year. So I would definitely either try it online, and if you guys have that your Bath & Body stores open, please, please, please wear a mask when you go out. That way you're protecting not only yourself but others as well. But I would recommend just online shopping because that way you're just keeping yourself safe. So that's all for me today, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on what you want to see in the next videos.